Excellent value in Waterfall crossing. Not the same old 4-bedroom, 2-story colonial plan. This home offers almost 2,800 square feet of finished living space. Wonderful cul-de-sac location borders open space and provides privacy and serenity. Open plan features generously sized rooms throughout. Hardwood and tile floors on the first level, brick fireplace, first floor laundry room, and much more. The gas fireplace is the highlight of the family room, which opens to the Trex deck and landscaped yard. Bright and sunny kitchen is a dream to work in with space for multiple chefs, 2 pantry closets, and a wonderful nook perfect for computer tasks or a butler's pantry. The master bedroom features a tray ceiling plus 2 walk-in closets and private tiled bath. Fourth bedroom has a desk alcove and would make a perfect office, craft room, or sewing room. Basement has plenty of storage, a built-in bar, and just needs flooring to become a fun hangout spot. Minutes to everywhere and everything. Don't miss it.